what's up? Welcome back to 24 Fred Shark Fin. I appreciate all my subscribers. We're like at 75 now. It feels awesome. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, let's get to the video. In this quick video, I'm just gonna show you guys like what's going on with my wah pedal, my wah pedal, my crybaby from hell. Alright, so there's a pedal, right? So yeah, does anybody have any ideas on how I should go about attaching this? I don't want to attach it permanently. I want to be able to, still be able to open it to, like, for maintenance or whatever.